As we have completed with the modeling of the spiral staircase, that in this we have made a modeled a spiral staircase. Now in this video we will see how to model a circular staircase in ETABS. Okay, for that purpose I will be just choosing here as the beam. As you can see that this is a circular staircase, so we will be making it in ETABS. Okay, just go to our ETABS model. Here just choose here as the this end. Okay, here you can see it is in the extruded format. Then after what do we need to do, that we need to divide it once again. Go to edit, divide, edit frames, divide frames. Just click here on the divide into two frame objects. Just click on it, just click on delete, just choose here all stories. Here you can see that the staircase has been deleted, divided into two parts. Just delete one part. As you see here, it has been deleted into one part. Then select this whole part here. Okay, now we need to do the same thing for the circular staircase. Here we go to edit. In edit we go for the extrude frames to shell. But here in it, extrude frame to shell, go to radial extrusion. But here we have to choose the pick one point on the model. Here we have to choose this point, not this one. We have to choose this point, and then after we have to put this increment, because the circular staircase will be in the form of the 360 degree. As you can see here, it is in the form of the 360 degree. Okay, so we have to require a big area. So we have choose here as this one. So the angle will be, as we have chosen here the pick one point, and this chosen here one point. In the increment data, the total angle will be 360 divided by number of staircase. We will be providing 20 stairs. Okay, let it be if they are big, no problem. Okay, we will be taking it as the 20 stairs, and the number of the stairs here as here the number means the number of the stairs, and here we have put here as a 360 divided by number of the stairs. And here total drop we are taking as the 3 meter, and just click on apply, and you can see that our staircase has been perfectly made. Like this way we make a staircase in ETABS. Okay, the same format it has been made. Okay, like this way we make. Now one more part, that we have to select here in the all story format the extrude the frames. Same way we have to go downwards, and in the basement, the foundation level, we have to unselect this part. Just unselect, go back to up story, and first floors or the story one. Just go to edit, and edit go to extrude. In extrude we have to just choose here as the extrude joints to frame. Just click on it, and here choose the put the all the detail same. Here as the rotate about the point with this point, we want this point, the same detail we have to put here. Here the detail as a 360 divided by total number of the stairs, that is the 20, number of stairs 20, and the total drop is about 3 meter. And just click on apply, and the frames are now been extruded. Okay, like this way we make a circular staircase in ETABS. Okay, as you see here, the circular staircase is being seen properly. But one thing to note, that for a circular staircase we deal it in the 360 format, and for a spiral staircase we deal it in the 180 degree format. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next model we will see the advanced part of it. Okay.